everybody. I'm guessing that we are ready for this health class. For today's lesson, we are going to be talking about basic body movements. Basic body movements. We shall first look at movements in living things. Movements in living things. Movements in living things. Living things such as man, animals, and plants. Those are few of the living things that we know about. Well, we shall look at movements in human beings and how do human beings move? They walk. 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 That's right. Human beings walk. Next, we shall look at movements in animals. We have very many different kinds of animals. We have animals that live on land. We have animals that live in water, and we have animals that can fly. In this case, the example we're using is a bird. A bird flies. A bird flies. So birds fly. 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 And lastly, we have plants. And plants open and close their mouth. Okay, they are plants that open and close their mouth. So these are the three kinds of living things that we are gonna talk about. We have human beings, we have animals, and lastly we have plants. First, we are going to look at movement in animals. Movement in animals. For example, we have a dog. Correct. We have a dog. And what is the dog doing? What kind of movement is the dog doing? A dog can walk. A dog can walk. A dog can walk. Next, we have a horse. This is a horse. And what kind of movement is the horse making? A horse can run fast. Okay? A horse can run fast. If an animal is not walking, in most cases it's running. Okay? So an animal can either walk or run. In this case, a horse can run. And then we have fish. 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 What kind of movement are we seeing? Well, fish use their fins to swim. Fish use their fins to swim. Fish use their fins to swim. So animals can either walk, run, or swim, because we have animals that live on land, those that live in water, and those that can fly. Moving on, we are going to look at movement of plants. Movement of plants. Well, some plants turn to the sun. Some plants turn to the sunlight. So the action of turning towards the sunlight, that's movement by some plants. Some plants turn to the sunlight, and that's movement. Then we have plants that climb around a pole. Some plants climb around a pole. Just like this plant, it's climbing around and round the pole. Okay, round and round the pole. The action of moving round and round and round and round is called climbing. Therefore, some plants climb around a pole. Now, let's look at movement of humans. Movement of humans. What is the little boy doing? What is he doing? Can you guess? Can you guess? Well, he is jumping up and down. He is jumping up and down. So, one of the movements of humans is jumping up and down. So, humans can jump up and down. Humans can jump up and down. You can do this during exercise. You can jump up and down when you're so excited. You can jump up and down when you're happy. You can jump up and down when you're playing with your friends. So the movement of human beings, number one is jump up and down. 2, sitting and writing in class. Sitting and writing in class. Humans can sit and write in class. Sitting is a type of movement, and writing is also a type of movement, because you're gonna move your hand to pick up the pen or pencil and try to write something down in your notebook or artbook. All that is movement. Then when you're sitting down, it will require you to stand up and sit down, or when you're seated, you can end up standing up. So standing up and sitting down is a movement that requires us to move all our body parts. So number 2, humans can sit and write in class. Therefore, sitting and writing in class is a kind of movement in humans. Now, let's move on to benefits of movements to animals. Benefits of movements to animals. Otherwise, how is movement helpful to animals? Why should animals move? And if they are to do so, what will they get, or what will they benefit from movements? 1, animals such as a giraffe. This is a giraffe. A giraffe is a wild animal, and a giraffe can move in search of food. Okay, a giraffe can move in search of food. Therefore, animals, for example, a giraffe or monkey or lion or a tiger or a crocodile, animals move to find food. Animals move to find food. So the first benefit of movement to animals is in search of food. Then, secondly, we've got plants. Benefits of movements to plants. Benefits of movements to plants. How is moving beneficial to plants? Well, Plants move to grow by finding water and sunlight. Plants move to grow from a seedling or seed, because plants need to grow from being a seedling or seed into a fully grown plant. And how do they do that? By finding water and sunlight. That's why plants turn around. So plants move to grow by finding water and sunlight. And now, benefits of movements to humans. Benefits of movements to humans. As you can see, he is moving his body from one side to the other. He's moving his body from one side to another, and the movement is helping him balance the ball. The movement is helping him balance and kick the ball. Balance and kick the ball. So, what's the benefit of movements to humans? Well, in humans, movement is needed for strength of our body. For strength of our body, okay? Humans need to move for strength of our body. And today's assignment is on pages 59 to 61. Pages 59 to 61. And that has been it for our health lesson today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please try to fill in the activities by yourselves, dear students. We need to practice writing. Our writing skill has to improve. Have a great day.